Today, we're diving deep into the often overlooked but crucial aspect of our financial journeys, the financial goal check-in. Welcome to Forever Finance, where we look towards forever freedom. The first month of 2024 is already behind us, so how are you looking for your goals? Let's kick things off by addressing the elephant in the room, change. We've all heard the phrase, new year, new me, but how many of us actually make tangible changes to our financial habits? Many of us find ourselves in a cycle of setting resolutions at the beginning of the year, but fail to make any significant progress. Many of us have probably already fallen short on some of our goals. Breaking this cycle starts with taking that crucial first step. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the thought of completely revamping your financial habits, but remember, every journey begins with a single step. If you're serious about achieving financial success, start by identifying one specific change you can make today. This change can be something small. It just needs to be something you can start working on today, whether it's creating a budget, cutting unnecessary expenses, or setting up an emergency fund. A lot of the time, people refuse to take action because they do not know something. So congratulations to everyone watching this video. You have taken the action of educating yourself. Taking that initial action sets the tone for the rest of your journey. If you set the habit now of taking steps, you will continue to do that throughout your financial journey. If you set the habit of procrastinating, that will plague your journey. Don't let the fear of the unknown hold you back. The first step is often the most empowering. Now, let's talk about the importance of goals in your financial journey. Goals provide direction, motivation, that feeling of achievement, and a sense of purpose. Without them, you're navigating through your financial journey without a roadmap. Your goal might be as simple as setting up an emergency fund by a certain time or saving up for a well-deserved holiday. In a world where the cost of living is continually increasing, setting financial goals becomes even more critical. Your goal could be as fundamental as making it through to payday without financial stress. And that's okay. You have still set yourself a goal for your journey. The key is to identify what matters most to you and align your goals to how you can steer your financial journey in that direction. Goals are a very powerful tool we can use in our financial journeys. As educated people on a financial journey, you should never underestimate the help of tools. Whether short-term or long-term, your financial goals act as a compass, guiding your decisions and actions. They give you something to strive for and celebrate when achieved. So, take a moment to reflect on what you want to accomplish financially, start outlining your goals, and have people to help keep you accountable or celebrate with you. Comment below with how you are tracking with your 2024 goals so far. I have been guilty of inaction at the start of this year. But I am booked in for a financial review next week. So my new goal for the rest of the year is less procrastinating. I can't wait to read yours below. Moving on to our next topic, understanding your money situation. It's surprising how many people have a vague idea of their income and expenses, but haven't taken the time to crunch the numbers. To effectively manage your finances, you need to know exactly how much money you have coming in and going out. This is also known as your cash flow. This does not mean that you have to track every cent that comes or goes throughout your journey. But you need to have an idea of how much it costs you to wake up in the morning. What are your fixed expenses? You can start by simply listing your sources of income and your regular expenses. This doesn't require fancy spreadsheets or advanced financial software, but if you do love some automation, there are some great tools out there. Whether you prefer using pencil and paper or going through your bank statements, the key is to have a clear understanding of your financial inflows and outflows. Knowing your money situation allows you to identify areas where you can increase income, cut costs, save more, or invest wisely. It's the foundation upon which you can build a solid financial plan. So, take the time to assess your current financial standing. It's a crucial step on your financial journey. With a clear understanding of your money situation, it's time to ensure you have the basics of your financial journey in place. Ask yourself these fundamental questions. Do you have a reason for your journey and matching goals to get you there? Having a psychological connection to our journey increases our chances to success. So, Why are you on this financial journey? Is it to achieve financial freedom, eliminate debt, or build wealth? Do your goals align with the overarching reason for your financial journey? For example, if your goal is to achieve financial freedom, ensure that your short-term and long-term goals contribute to that objective. The next basic question to check is, do you have a plan or interim goals in place? Do you have a comprehensive plan outlining the steps you'll take to reach your financial goals? Consider breaking down your long-term goals into manageable interim goals. This not only makes your journey more manageable, but also provides you with smaller victories along the way that will motivate you to continue. Studies have shown that it is easier for people to stay focused on goals with a shorter time frame. By having these interim goals aligned to your final financial journey goals, you can ensure you remain focused and motivated throughout your journey. The last basic question to ask is, what are the next steps? What's the next phase of your financial journey? Are you moving towards debt elimination, building investments, or focusing on another aspect? This is an important area of your financial journey to understand, as it is closely linked to the other basic questions we have covered. Having a clear roadmap for your next steps prevents you from feeling lost or unsure about what to do after achieving a particular goal. This feeling of certainty will also ensure you keep moving towards your end financial journey goals. By having these basics in place, you ensure that you're not only setting goals, but are also strategically working towards them. It adds a layer of deliberate action to your financial journey, making it more likely for you to stay on track and make steady progress. The journey to financial success requires more than just wishful thinking. It demands intentional actions, clear goals, and a solid understanding of your current financial situation. Don't be the person who repeats the cycle of setting resolutions without making real changes. Take that first step towards achieving your financial journey goals. Always remember, financial success is within your reach, and with the right knowledge and discipline, you can achieve your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Forever Finance to stay updated with more valuable content. Please consider liking this video to help it reach more people. If you have any topics you would like us to cover, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time on Forever Finance.